A lot of people get very confused when they get a letter from their insurance company saying that they want them to sit for an examination under oath. An examination under oath can be very scary, but once you understand what it is, it's really not that terrifying. An examination under oath is the insurance company's opportunity to sit you down, have you sworn in almost like you're in court, and ask you questions about your loss. An examination under oath is also called an EUO. So whether you hear someone say examination under oath or EUO, they're talking about the exact same thing. Under your insurance policy, there is usually a provision that allows the insurance company to bring you in and ask you sworn questions about your loss. That is a right that the insurance company has, and if it's in your policy, you can't really say no. You actually have a few obligations under your policy that relate to EUOs, such as your duty to cooperate. When going to an EUO, it's really important to show up having really thought through the details of your loss. Obviously, they may ask you what happened, but they also may ask you about the types of damages you sustained. For instance, in the case of a fire, where did the fire start and what rooms did it go to? What parts of the rooms were damaged? What areas of the house were damaged by the fire department when the fire department came in? An insurance company also may ask you during an EUO about your contents. What types of things were harmed and how were they harmed? You need to be able to explain these things in an EUO. All this comes down to is good preparation. Whether you prepare alone or you prepare with the help of an attorney, it's important to sit down and very carefully and methodically go through everything about your loss, from how it happened to what types of things were damaged. If you spend the time preparing and you spend the time making sure you understand what happened, ultimately you'll be in a good position to cooperate with the insurance company and help set up your claim for success. Sometimes insurance companies use EUOs as an opportunity to try to deny a claim. They look for some reason that they can deny coverage, such as whether you may have said something on your insurance application that wasn't true. This is one of the reasons it's really helpful to have an attorney at an EUO, and it's very helpful to have an attorney in advance to help you prepare. You can obviously prepare for the issues regarding your loss yourself, but you may not be aware of every single obligation you have under the policy, and you may not be aware of every reason that an insurance company can deny your claim. For that reason, it really makes sense when preparing for an EUO to collect all your documents related to the case, collect any documents the insurance company wanted you to collect, and sit down with an attorney and go through each one by one, to make sure that there's nothing hiding out there that might hurt your claim. At the end of the day, if you get a letter asking for an EUO, it's no reason to be scared. You just have to approach it with the basic tips that I've laid out for you.